In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a houseplant database using ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, searchable place to track every plant you care for, from watering schedules to light needs, all in one spot. First, head over to ClickUp, open it in your browser or the desktop app and sign in if you're prompted. Once you're in, navigate to the space where you want this database to live. A space is like a container for related work, so choose the one that makes the most sense for your home, hobbies, or personal organization. If you already have a space for household management or gardening, that's a great choice. Inside that space, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the ellipsis. You'll usually see it near the space name or in the sidebar. Click it to open a list of options. This menu is your shortcut to powerful setup tools, and using it helps you get structured quickly without building everything from scratch. From that menu, select Apply a Template. This opens ClickUp's Template Center, where you can browse pre-built layouts. Templates are huge time savers because they come with fields, statuses, and views that you can adapt instead of creating them one by one. In the template search bar, type Blog Database. Choose a blog database template you like. Even though it's designed for content, it works beautifully for plants because it's essentially a well-organized table of entries. Click to preview it, then apply it to the space you selected. Now customize it for houseplants. Rename the list to something clear, like Houseplant Database, so it's easy to recognize. Update the fields. Change the title field to plant name and repurpose description or notes fields for care notes. Convert or rename statuses to match how you think about plants, such as healthy, needs attention, or propagating. Adjust or add custom fields to capture what matters most. Light requirement, watering frequency, last watered, as a date, fertilizer schedule, location and home, soil type, and pet safe or toxic. Remove anything you don't need, like author or published date, or convert them into relevant plant attributes. As you tweak columns, keep labels short and consistent so entries are easy to scan. When you're happy with the setup, confirm and apply. Start using your database right away by adding a few test plants. Enter names consistently, use drop-downs for repeatable values like light or room, and add dates to track watering over time. Try sorting by last watered or filtering by light requirement to focus on what needs attention next. That's it. You've transformed a simple template into a tailored houseplant database in ClickUp. Save your changes, keep it updated, and enjoy a clearer view of your plant care routine.